So we're going to do matrix operations on a TI-84 CE. So you'll notice under this button where it says x to the negative 1 power, it says matrix, and that's very helpful for us because we can actually enter matrices there. So hit second x to the negative 1, and you've got a list of matrices. We can define matrices for all of these. So for my problems, I'm doing matrix A is a 3 by 2 matrix, B is a 2 by 2, and C is a 2 by 2. So I'm going to enter each of those into my calculator. So at the top, we're going to choose edit, and we're going to edit matrix A. So matrix A is a 3 by 2 matrix, so I'm going to type 3 and then 2. And then we're going to type the matrix. It goes 0, 2, negative 1, 3. So 0, 2, 3, 2, negative 1, 3, 1, 0. Okay, so we have one matrix, and then we're going to enter the next one. So go back into the matrix menu, second x to the negative 1 power. We can choose matrix B. Well, we're going to edit and then choose matrix B. And this one's going to be a 2 by 2. Okay, so I'm going to enter 4, 1, negative 6, and negative 2. And then I'm going to do a third matrix for these problems. So go back into second x to the negative 1, and we're going to edit our third matrix. Choose option 3, and this one is again going to be a 2 by 2. Remember, when you're entering the order of the matrix, the size, you always put the number of rows first. So this will be negative 1, 0, 0, 1. All right, once you have your matrices, then you decide what operation you want to do with it. So I have a number of options here that I can choose to do. I'm going to do this first one on the left. I'm going to multiply 2 of matrix C and subtract half of matrix B. So in your calculator, hit second quit, and then we're going to select our matrix after we type the scalar multiplier 2. So 2 of matrix B, so second matrix option 2 for B. And then we're going to do minus 1/2, that was supposed to be C, matrix C minus 1/2 of matrix B. And it actually calculates the resulting matrix for you. Okay, we'll do one more. So I'm going to choose this difficult one, A times the product of BC. So to enter that matrix, I would go back into my matrix menu. I'm going to choose matrix A. Here's the thing, when you're doing multiplying of matrices, you actually have to hit the time sign. You can't just rely on parentheses like you can with normal operations. So I'm going to do times, and then parentheses, matrix B times matrix C. So I enter all of that, make sure I see I've got parentheses around the B times C, press enter, and it gets you that resulting matrix as well. So you can get the result of any matrix operation that involves addition, subtraction, or multiplication in your graphing calculator, the TI-84 plus CE.